Today we're gonna have another Louis Vuitton unboxing. Also, I'm gonna talk about new authentication system at Louis Vuitton. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Oxana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today we have two topics. I'm gonna unbox my new Louis Vuitton handbag. Extremely excited about this handbag. And I'm gonna talk about a new authentication system at Louis Vuitton. And this information is absolutely solid because I got this information from my essay. And if you're specifically interested only in that information, I'm gonna put a timestamp somewhere over here so you can directly go and watch that specific information. But first I want to unbox my new handbag and share my joy with you. So I'm not going to beat around the bushes. I quickly gonna unbox. And when I gonna unbox it, I don't think any of you gonna surprise because I absolutely love this style. I'm gonna put the box right there, and we have gorgeous dust bag and ta-da! There you go guys, it's my new OnTheGo size black Empreinte leather. If you watch one of my recent videos about Louis Vuitton, it was never full Empreinte leather in black color and it was a bit of fiasco. I'm gonna link that video somewhere over here guys, so check that video. And actually under that video I received the most hates so far on my channel because obviously my channel is not that big. But I have to tell you guys, honestly, I kind of raised the subject that not many people want to talk about. They think about it, but they don't really vocalize it. But I was like, you know, I raised that subject, and I'm gonna go into that subject more deeply when I'm gonna talk about authentication of the handbags. But this is my new beauty. I thought about this handbag a while ago. The first I was trying to get this handbag black epi leather with kind of fuchsia interior. But I find that epi leather was a little bit heavy, and somewhat I didn't really like that fuchsia charm, like, you know, right at the back. I don't know, something didn't work out, and that's when I got my OnTheGo in monogram. I'm gonna maybe link also the video when I unbox my OnTheGo in monogram. And I love that handbag. I find that handbag in size is perfect for me, for my personal daily needs. Even the laptop, I can put it inside. It doesn't go horizontally, but I can put vertically, and obviously then use my longer straps. So, and it's actually perfect for me. I love never fulls, but I find that the never full for my body type is a little bit too overwhelming because I'm 5'3", and obviously with the aging process looks like I'm start shrinking going slowly to 5'2". So this size is actually perfect for me, and I love that it has a regular Empreinte leather on the sides, and obviously the giant Empreinte leather on the main body. I love the interior. It's a microfiber. Many people don't like this interior. They find, like, you know, the yellow and kind of mustard color is not everybody cups of tea, obviously, but I personally like it so very much. My handbag made in France, and I'm quite pleased about that. So I'm not gonna hide if some people gonna say they don't care if their handbags made in France. I personally do. Nothing wrong with made in Italy, Spain or United States, but I really enjoy when it's made in France. And frankly, I'm thinking like many brands, when they originally French brands, I understand when they're branching off, they produce homeware, they produce ready-to-wear, they produce perfume, etc., etc. It could be made somewhere else, Italy, Spain, etc. But I truly believe if your brand started as a handbag brand, it should be made in France. My personal opinion. You can move your production somewhere else when it's ready to wear, China, you name it, like houseware, whatever. But handbags, keep it in France. Really, keep it in France. And I think Louis Vuitton is French brand, and it should be all handbags made in France. My very, very humble opinion. Not even Italy or Spain. It should be made in France. My humble opinion. And I really, really like it. I think it's so classy. And I have my charm. It's just a, you know, simple LV. And then I put a tag, you know, the regular Louis Vuitton tag, but I removed this strap from the Louis Vuitton tag because normally this Louis Vuitton tag has a silver hardware, but I put a gold stamping of my initial, and on the other side I have Canada, and that I thought would be a really, really nice you know, compliment to this handbag. You can see that it has a bag charm, it has a tag with my name, and I think it's absolute perfection. Very, very classy, and you know, you cannot go wrong with this handbag. And as I said, you can wear top handle, you can put it on your shoulders, you can put it on the crook of your arm because the handles are big enough. I mean, it's absolute perfection for everyday business, like you know, use and meetings. And I guess right now somewhere I'm gonna put my modeling shots, and while my modeling shots are running, I want to talk a little bit about new authentication system with Louis Vuitton. This information is confirmed by my essay, so it looks like this information should be solid. First and most, she mentions that Louis Vuitton moving to new authentication system, and this process actually started about a year ago in March 2020, and it was due to major counterfeiting with Louis Vuitton handbags. And they mentioned that some of the counterfeiters, some of those underground companies, they became so good that it's literally you know, sometimes people returning handbag, buying the original Louis Vuitton handbag and then returning fake handbag to Louis Vuitton, and even the essays couldn't identify the handbag. That's how well made those fake handbags. So they're moving to the new system, and this is going to be microchip embedded in the handbag. And in fact, inside this handbag I have the microchip. When it comes to my Never Full, I actually no longer have that handbag. I thought like hard, but I decided I don't want to keep it. That handbag didn't have made in, it had like just a paper tag, but it had a date code. So I took that handbag to Louis Vuitton. It doesn't have a microchip. It just had a date code, but it doesn't say anywhere the production of the country. It's only by the date code you can identify that it's actually made in United States if you're gonna lose that paper tag, and I'm gonna include the picture of that paper tag. So when it comes to this bag, it actually has made in France, but it doesn't have a date code. There is no longer date code somewhere on the handbag, you cannot find, but it has microchip. And she said that all Louis Vuitton agents, they have their special cell phone, and that cell phone has a special software. When they scan the bag on their phone, it shows the code, date of production, etc, etc. It says where the handbag is made and the actual code with the 2 letters and 4 numbers. And she mentioned to me that I'm gonna put my date code somewhere over here at the bottom. My handbag is made on the 10th week of year 2021, so literally just about week and a half ago since I have this bag. Really happy with this bag. So go back to authentication system. As she said, they're introducing new microchips. So all bags still continue to have made in. If it's made in France, it's gonna say made in France. If it's made in Italy, it's gonna say made in Italy. If it's made in Spain, it's gonna say made in Spain. The only country that's not gonna say where it's made in, it's United States. If it's gonna say just Louis Vuitton Paris, it's not gonna say anywhere on the handbag made in. It means it's made in United States. The only country that's not gonna show where it's made in, it's United States. So that's exactly what she said. All other countries still gonna show made in Italy, made in France, and made in Spain. No longer date codes on the handbags. All new handbags going to be with the microchip embedded inside the body of the handbag. And it's frankly hard to say because it's obviously microscopic. You cannot really feel it anywhere in the like, you know, the stitching or anything, because that chip is truly microscopic. You cannot feel it where it is. It's impossible. But it's only inside Louis Vuitton you can actually authenticate your handbags that it's actually a true authentic Louis Vuitton handbag. And that's what she said. They're trying to prevent counterfeiting, and they're trying to fight counterfeiters and the production of counterfeit handbags. That's exactly what my essay said. So anyway, I decided after long debate that I'm not gonna keep my Never Full, but because I truly want to have black handbag in and I mean this kind of size, the size that I can use every day, in black Empreinte leather, and I decided to get my On-The-Go. So now I have two On-The-Gos, both of them size. I have a monogram. Once again, I'm gonna link the video. Check that video if you want to unbox it. And obviously I have my black. Extremely happy, extremely happy. Sorry. And highly recommend. I'm gonna do also video later on comparison between my On-The-Go in monogram and On-The-Go in Empreinte leather, because they feel differently. Let me tell you, they totally feel differently, because this one is so soft and supple. But it's totally different video because I don't want to overwhelm you with information. If you guys gonna have any questions in regards to, once again, new authentication system with Louis Vuitton, please put your comments below, and whatever I know I will answer to you. But once again, I'm gonna repeat, there is no date code on my handbag. It's microchip inside, and it's made in France. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate your support on my channel. Please put your likes or dislikes if you don't like my channel or you don't like what I have to say. Put all your comments below what you think of all these topics that I actually bring into your attention today, guys. And I hope to see you on my next one. All right, bye bye.